Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare Christmas special velvet cake recipe in 24 cm roaster. Let's see how to prepare. Now take flour in a bowl, add cocoa powder, add baking powder, add soda, pinch of salt and mix together. Mix together and keep aside. Now add powdered sugar in butter. Mix together, cream well until light and fluffy. Now add 3 eggs. Teaspoon vanilla essence. Teaspoon red color. Mix well. Now add yogurt. Mix well. Now add milk. Fold gradually the flour together with the milk to get a dripping consistency. Now cake batter is ready. To preheat the pot, switch on the Navigenio at level 6. Place the audio thumb. Preheat up to roasting window. Now preheating is completed. Switch off the audio thumb and remove. Switch off the Navigenio. Now place the pot in an inverter lid. Now place the butter paper. Now add the dough into the pot. Now place the Navigenio. Switch to level 1. Bake up to 3 minutes. Baking time is completed. Switch off the audio thumb.
Allow the cake to bake in residual heat for approximately 15 minutes.
Now resting time is completed. Switch off the audio thumb. Remove the Navigenio. Red velvet cake is ready.